Today we're going to be doing the Skyline update. So you want to turn your bike on in accessory mode. And then you want to wait for your screen to fully come on. Which means you want the Harley logo to disappear. And now that that's disappeared, we're going to take our first USB-C stick and insert it in there. About 5 seconds after the SanDisk was installed, this popped up. We're going to hit update. Now it says validation in progress. It may take up to 5 minutes. Okay, less than a minute later, this popped up, and we will hit install now. I hit install now, the screen went blank, and then this popped up. Now this is a 2024, and I do not have the battery tender hooked up. Alright, the first update is complete. It took less than 2 minutes. The screen then rebooted, and now we have to wait to install the second USB. Okay, the bike rebooted. Second USB is installed. Took about 10 seconds for it to recognize it, and now we're going to hit update. So after installing the second USB and it reading it, it took roughly 4 minutes to get to this point. And then I got a validation in progress. It may take up to 10 minutes. About 2 minutes in and we get the progress bar. So now 23 minutes later, I'm greeted with this, with the system restart. So here's hoping it updated. So after it reset, I was greeted with this. So one more update. That one was super quick, less than 15 seconds. Now we just have to wait for it to connect again and see if there's anything else. Updates are equal to or newer than the USB. Good to go.